as you can see, there's been kind of a car crash here. It's kind of bad, it broke the pole. Pretty sure it's gonna come down soon. I was just in my living room doing my homework. Heard a loud thud, and here we are. Don't worry, the guy's okay. But that car is destroyed. And so is that pole. We're gonna like lose power in a minute if that falls. I'll continue it if it does fall. If not, this is the end of the video. But that's pretty bad. Yeah. And here we see the great Bigfoot resting in his natural habitat, the suburban area. He seems to be angered slightly. That is not to enrage him. I will end the video now. And apparently the great suburban Bigfoot has locked me out of my own home. Oh, please someone help. Knock, knock. What a majestic creature.